Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you how you can draw manually or by hand in your presentations on Miro.com. So let us guide you through this. All right, access your brand here on Miro. And basically, guys, what you need to do is take a look at that list of customization tools to the left. So amongst these, you will see that feature here, create freehand drawings. So click into it or use the shortcut P. And after that, you may customize your drawing. For example, select a pen or a highlighter, smart drawing, the eraser, and so on and so forth. You may change the thickness and the color here. So let me go, for example, with the pen, and we're going to use that thickness here, and click again into that circle to activate these colors. So let me go with, I don't know, let's go with a dark orange color. And that's it. Now simply draw by hand like you would on paint, for instance. Let me draw a face like this. And that's it. Now, as previously mentioned, you may use the eraser also. Select it, click into the given element. And that's it. That's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.